Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a scrolling text announcement bar in Shopify. For example, as you can see on this store, there is an announcement bar at the top of the header, but the text is not scrolling. Now, to enable the scrolling, first of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and then click on the Online Store tab here in the left sidebar. Then, click on the Customize button here. Now you will see a tab for announcement bar under the header. Click on it and here you can change the text if you want to, or even you can add the link to that text. For example, I'm changing the section, and if I want to add the link, I can choose the product page or any custom link here. Then click on the Save button here. Now you can see the text is updated, but this is not scrolling. Now to make it scrollable, go to the dashboard again and click on the Exit button here. Now you need to click on these three dots here and select the Edit Code option here. Now in this search bar, you need to find for announcement file. As you can see, here is a file for announcement bar.liquor. So just click on it and the file will open. Next, you need to determine where to add the scrolling code. So go to the front end and inspect the page by right click of your mouse and then click on the inspect option here. Now use this selector tool and click on the text here. As you can see, the text is inside a span tag which is wrapped by a p tag with the class announcement bar message. So you need to copy this class and return to the file editor and search for the class by using Ctrl+F or Command F for the Mac. As you can see, we have this class on two places which may differ for some conditions, so you don't need to worry about that. Now to modify the code, you need to add this Marquee tag before the p tag. So just copy this tag and paste this code before p tag. Same for the second place. Now we need to close this Marquee tag after the p tag is closing. That is here. Again for both the places. Now click on the Save button here. Don't worry, I'll add this code in the video description so that you can copy and paste it on your theme. Now when you go back to front end and refresh the page, you will see the text is now scrolling. Here you can see. Now to adjust the scrolling speed, open the code file again and look for the speed settings within the Marquee tag. As you can see, under the Marquee tab, we have written the scroll amount to 15. Now let's suppose I'm changing this to 10 on both the places. And then click on the Save button here. Now refresh the page again and you can see the text is now slow comparatively. So you can adjust it according to your need. Please note that this example applies to the Shopify DOM theme, and this might be vary depending upon the theme. If you can't find this setting in your theme, feel free to ask me in the comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update. See you in the next video.